In this comprehensive video, we will show you how to master digital marketing in 2024 and build a successful career in this ever-growing field. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to enhance your skills, this guide covers everything you need to know about digital marketing in the current landscape. We will explore the key digital marketing channel you need to master, including SEO, content marketing, social media, paid advertising, and email marketing. You will learn how to create impactful campaigns, leverage analytics, and stay ahead of trends that are shaping the industry in 2024. Additionally, we will dive into the essential skills and tools that are crucial for success in digital marketing, such as data driven decision making, automation, and leveraging AI for smarter strategies. The video also provides valuable tips on how to build a career in the company, start a freelancing business, or even launch your own agency. We will discuss the importance of certifications and practical experience and how to create a portfolio that stand out in today's competitive job market. By the end of the video, you will have a clear roadmap to guide your journey in digital marketing. From getting started to securing job opportunities, this video is perfect for anyone who wants to take advantage of the booming digital marketing industry and build a career that lasts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights and tips on mastering digital marketing in 2024 and beyond.